Mastering formal writing. Dodging personal opinions and biases. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into the heart of formal writing. Specifically, we'll be focusing on avoiding personal opinions and biases. This is a crucial skill when you're aiming to make your writing more professional, objective, and respected. So, let's dive right in. Before we start avoiding them, we first need to understand what personal opinions and biases are. Personal opinions are your own beliefs or thoughts on a subject. For example, I think that apples are the best fruit. Biases, on the other hand, are an inclination or prejudice for or against one person or group. For instance, cats are better than dogs, is a statement that shows a bias towards cats. In formal writing, both personal opinions and biases are generally avoided to maintain a neutral tone and objective perspective. Let's look at how to do that. Removing personal opinions from your writing can be challenging, but with practice, you can master this skill. Here are some strategies to help. 1. Avoid using first-person pronouns. Words like I, me, we, and our often indicate personal opinions. For instance, I believe that global warming is a severe issue, can be rewritten as global warming is a severe issue. 2. Use facts and data. Support your statements with verifiable information rather than personal beliefs. 3. Avoid judgmental language. Words like good, bad, wonderful, and terrible can often signal personal opinions. Replace them with neutral or factual descriptions. Bias can creep into your writing unnoticed. Here's how to root it out. 1. Balance your arguments. Present different perspectives on the issue, not just the one you agree with. 2. Avoid stereotyping or generalizations. Phrases like, all politicians are, or, women always, often signify bias. 3. Use neutral language. Avoid emotionally charged or judgmental words and phrases. Remember, practice is key in mastering these techniques. And that wraps up our discussion on avoiding personal opinions and biases in formal writing. Remember, the goal here is to maintain a neutral tone and objective perspective. Your writing should provide clear, unbiased information, allowing readers to form their own opinions based on the facts you present. As always, keep practicing and soon, you'll master the art of formal writing. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.